Hi, thanks for joining us today. I'm going to demonstrate how to install DriveStrike under the Enterprise Management mode on a corporate-owned Android device. To begin the installation, you'll need a factory reset device. Start by setting up the device as usual by following the prompts. If your device has a SIM card ready to be activated, connect to your mobile network or skip to continue through Wi-Fi. For this demonstration, I'll use a Wi-Fi connection since this Android device does not have an activated SIM card. Either way, you must have internet access before you proceed setting up the device, as DriveStrike will be downloaded and installed halfway through the setup process. Once connected to a network, the device will check for updates. After the update is complete, you will be prompted to sign in to a Google account. At this point, you will type AFW # DriveStrike. Tap Next to continue, and you will have triggered the Android Enterprise mode for DriveStrike. Now go ahead and click Install. The device will download the DriveStrike app, and you'll be asked to confirm the installation. After the installation is complete, continue with the Enterprise Management setup by following the prompts. The phone will display different information screens, including a confirmation stating device administration mode is enabled, and a privacy notice that clearly states the phone is not private. Essentially, under the Enterprise Management mode, DriveStrike administrators can see all data and activity on the device. Continue the phone setup process by following the prompts. Once the phone is accessible, you'll receive a notification to register DriveStrike on the device. Tap the notification and enter the email address for your DriveStrike account. Tap Register and make sure to allow the app to always run in the background. Now DriveStrike is installed and registered. Depending on your pre-established security policies, a second notification may appear telling you that a new password is required. For this demonstration, I've preset my DriveStrike security policy to require at least a 6-digit PIN, so we have to change our password. We'll just do 246824 and tap Next. Again, 246824 and tap Confirm. Additionally, I've preset my security policy to never show notifications when the device is locked. And now we just have to establish a biometric way to get into the device. You can also disable biometrics as a part of your security policy if you wish to do so. At this point, the device is fully registered and completely set up. You can start pushing applications to the device, as well as specific user parameters, domain requirements, etc. If you go into the Google Play Store, you will see the web and private apps you pre-approved to be available, including any private apps that were built and uploaded by your organization. If you have any questions about the installation process or management of a device under the Android Enterprise mode, give us a call at 877-375-2468 or send us an email at support@drivestrike.com.